so cold, I would have got on the horse and everything.
Oh shit, I almost fell.
I would have got on the horse.
It's a horse?
Right there.
Let's see what it's hitting for. Got donkeys.
I'm trying to figure it out because
Crazy menu. That's and the nails done.
that looks awesome.
Our first time on that corn, boy. Let's see what that corn hitting for. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So, little P Money. Hold on, you gotta put the lime on there. You gotta squeeze a little lime.
Oh, I do? Oh, I was just gonna try it.
Squeeze a little lime on that pie like that.
Okay, okay.
Let's see her reaction.
Oh!
It's a banger.
It's a banger. Yeah. I think that. I'm like,
Tomato.
when I seen the price of it, I'm like, oh.
Oh,